Familiarize yourself with the 2017 Nissan Sentra. With just over 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.